What's up, people? Welcome back to Rhys' YouTube channel. I'm Rhys King as always, and today we're back on DeadBolt. I love this game. I don't feel like it's getting the attention it deserves from the entire world. I don't mean my channel, I mean just the world. I feel like everyone should be talking about this game. It's a really, really cool, innovative game, and I love it. So anyway, we're back here. We're going to play a bit of a longer episode this time. Let's get balls deep. Oh, this is where you buy weapons. Right, okay. We've got 100, like, spirit points. What do we want here? Right, okay, I think we're going to buy a hammer. Yes, thank you. And holds 5 bullets. Ooh. Okay, high fire rate holds 14 bullets. I think we're going to go for the headhunter. That looks sexy as all fuck. And then we're going to save it for the scythe. It's like 200 bucks. But that's fine with me. Cheers, buddy. Looks like these are the missions we got. This is the new guy, Puff, a low-level dealer. Puff might be known about bloody fucking blah. We're going to kill this bitch. You reckon, bruv? Nice one. Right. Okie dokie. Now, if I remember rightly, that's the buttons. Change weapons. We can change it now. We've got a hammer instead of revolver. So, come here, you little prick. Fucking boom, boom. Close it. Close that. And... oh, God! Okay, they might have heard that. I don't really know. But we're being subtle and stuff. Turn the lights off. Let's go for a hammer. Yeah, come down, buddy. Come on up. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. Come on up. Yeah. Yeah, I'll fucking have a Tommy gun. Why not? Come down, bitches. Oh, you're not going to come down. Come on. Get this Tommy gun. If we're far enough away, this fucking fucker might actually come down here. Come on. Come on, you must hear that. Well, that did the job. Let's take our hammer back. I like the hammer. Makes me excited in my pants. Right, up we go. Turn that light off. What's this? Sawn-off shotgun. Nah, fuck the sawn-off. We can go... was that it? Okay. There they come. Shit. Perhaps we should have kept this. Come on, you fucks. Come down here. Come on. Come down. Yeah. Yeah. This fool doesn't even know what he's in for up here. Right. Yeah, bitch. We turn this light off. What's this? 9mm pistol. Fucking suck a dick, bitch! What do I do here? Ooh, open files. Stuff, more stuff. Paper, paper, paper. I don't care. I'm not reading all of this. Honestly, I don't care. Right, get back to the car, shall I? Or not? Right, that stage clear. We did good there. Let's just exit this place. We actually smashed the shit out of that level. The last time we had a little bit of trouble on the last level that we did. But that one, we lit that shit up on fire. So let's keep moving on. I mean, there's going to be doggy dogs here. Oh, very annoying. Where can we go? Bing, bing, bing. Alright, let's do one of these. Oh, okay, the dogs are three-headed. It's okay. Right, you guys would have had to see the stress I've just gone through, but it's all fine. It's okay. Okay. It's fine. Swap over at this point. We run in here. Do one of the old switcheroos. How's it going, buddies? Little bitches. Doggy? No one likes your face, dog! Yes, go up there. Change over for the last of those rounds. Oh fuck. Well, I've kind of used every round I had available. Back this way. Oh god. Can I throw that far? No. Come on, sucker. Oh god, that was a fucking hell of a shot. Right. Switch these lights off, switch those lights off. Die! Son of a bitch, I did it! Yeah. Let's go home. Let's go home! Okay, what is that? Holy crap, alright, fucking hell, I wasn't expecting that. Alright, everyone's here. Let's all join the party, shall we? Well, there's no way I'm killing all of them, is there? Let's just kill myself and start again. Hi guys. Ouch. Okay, so there's zombie heads for security systems. That's fine. So that last one's probably the last one we want to alert, am I right? Vent wise, can I get all the way up to that toilet from this vent? Yeah. Suck on those apples, you little bitch. Yeah. What's this? Well, we'll need that in a minute, but not right now. Not right now. Hello, big boy. Fuck. Let's get ready for this fucking Mexican standoff, or whatever they call it. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. I don't think I can do this with a hammer, but I'm going to try. Oh god, I did. I succeeded. Dear God. Oh shit. Oh god, it's so fucking exhilarating. Right, okay. Yeah. Can I go back down and disable that with a knife? Fuck off. Fuck off! Who's this fuck that is asleep up here? Inspect. Doesn't look like a candle. Okay, okay, okay. Thanks. Bird. Oh, hang on. There was one more fucking guy left up there. I don't... Let's leave that done. I need to, like... I feel like I need to do that anyway. Fuck off. Right. Let's go home. Turn some lights on. This fucking place is dark. Did not mean to do that. Back off. Woo! Okay. Holy crap. Whew. Yeah. I feel like I'm getting better and better at this game. Right, okay guys, we're going to wrap up there. Let's leave it there. Let's fucking do this. Brilliant levels, brilliant fun. We did pretty fucking good around that round, I felt. We've done 3 levels off of the game. And yeah, so to the next video guys. I don't know why I did that with a pen, but I did that with a pen and I threw it on the floor. Ignore it, it never happened. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button. If you're new, subscribe. And of course, I will see you next time, baby. Bye-bye. Huge thank you to each and every one of you guys. The channel just ticked over 1,000, which is just insane. It did it this morning before I got up for work. I noticed that it ticked over the 1,000 mark, which is just mad, literally mad. So I've been sort of, what's going on here? Why is my rudder thing not working? Pull back up, Rhys, up. Why can't I pull up? What is going on with that? Is it because the zombie's on there? Up, 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 up. No, come on, I've got loads of life left. Ah! They fucked my rudders, man. Fuck. Well, that was awesome.